Well, here we go. We've got the range of the Axion model from Pulsar. Fantastic. They go from the budget end all the way through to the top of the range XQ38 and XQ38 LRF models. It starts with the XM22 and then moves through to the XM30, the XM30S, the XQ38 and the XQ38 LRF. You can see the numbers on that one. You've got XM30S. So basically XQ is the sensor, XM is the sensor, 38 is the size of lens, 30 is the size of lens. So that explains what the XQ and the 38 means on there, or the XM30. And the S on the XM30 means Sony viewfinder. These two are the XM30 models and the XM30S. The only difference between these two models is there's no stream vision in the XM30, and also in the XM30S you get a 25% bigger screen in the back. That actually makes a tremendous difference. It really does. I was shocked when Pulsar brought out the XM30S compared to the XM30. It really does make a difference. So the price difference between the two, you got 1149 for the XM30, and then the XM30S is 1549. So there's like £400 difference in those. So from the XM30S, you move up to the XQ38. This is actually my personal one. I bought this for the simple reason for stalking. I have a set of Accolade binoculars, but they're too big to carry with a set of traditional binoculars. So the Axion, it's the perfect size. It fits in the palm of your hand. Flick it back, quickly scan the field. You can see whether there's anything in the field or in dense woodland. In my eyes, it's the perfect combination. And then from there, you're going up to the XQ38 LRF. Because you've got the LRF on there, you've got no stream vision or anything in this one, so you can't record on it. So you've really got to weigh up whether you want the LRF laser rangefinder or you want the capabilities of being able to record and connect to stream vision. The laser rangefinder is fantastic, not only when you're out in, stalking in the day that you can just quickly ping how far that deer is away, but also when you're out at night shooting on pest control duties or anything like that. If a fox pops out of some brush or a hedge line or that, you can quickly ping it. We all know at night it is far more difficult to be able to judge the distance of what an animal is. So it is really valuable to have a laser rangefinder at night that you can ping, and you can ping anything out to 1,000 yards with it as well. So batteries on them. In the XM30, you've got the APS-3. That's just released by a little push button there, and that comes out. And then moving across to the XQ38, that's on a twist, but that's an APS-5 battery. You can see the difference in the two size-wise there. The XM30, you get up to 5 hours usage, and the XQ38, you get up to 7 hours usage, but that's always going to depend on what the weather conditions are like. The Axion is fantastic because it is so small and fits in your hand. It's the perfect size for anybody who's on the move, anybody doing mobile pest control. You haven't got something heavy hanging around your neck or anything like that. You can stick it in a pocket. As you can see, it's the size of the palm of your hand, and it really is fantastic. And for anybody that is coming into the world of thermal, the Axion goes from the budget all the way up to the professional user.